Welcome to my channel, Magnificent World Through My Eyes. Good morning everyone. Today is the third day and we got a call at 4 a.m. from the bus conductor saying that we would be leaving to Govind Ghat but from a different route which would take us a longer time to reach. Since the bus was leaving from the longer route, we decided to cancel our trip to Valley of Flowers as we were not sure what the road conditions were and what if while returning back there is another landslide and we get stuck at Govind Ghat. Since we had one day in Rishikesh, we decided to visit the Secret Waterfall and Sri Ganga Aarti for the evening Aarti. We had a breakfast in the morning and left for the Secret Waterfall. Everyone informed us that it's a 3-kilometer walk, but we felt like we walked for more than 5 kilometers as the road was uphill. There were few camps and stalls on the way where people could take some rest, buy water, cold drinks or have some snacks. We bought a bottle of water and a bottle of cold drinks. Once we reached the Secret Waterfall, we were a bit disappointed as the waterfall was not as we had expected, but the trek was good and we enjoyed a lot. While returning back, I saw something which I had never seen in my entire life. I could not believe my eyes when I saw a python resting on a tree. A real python, that too near a residential area. After admiring the python for some time, we left from there and had a lunch. Then we went straight to Sri Ganga Aarti to catch up with the evening Aarti. When we reached the Ganga Aarti the preparation for the Aarti was going on. We searched for a spot from where we could capture the Aarti properly.
Please welcome to
Here are a few glimpses of the Aarti I have captured for you all to enjoy. To watch the entire Aarti, please click on the link given in the description. My dream to explore the Valley of Flowers is all scattered now. But stay tuned to know more about my next plan for the rest of the week. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please like, comment and subscribe.